Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. I mean, seriously, please do. And join the Cuckoo family. Sounds like a bed, like the Cuckoo bed. But okay, you need to join the Cuckoo family. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how you can grow your hair, to be like this. Okay, so disclaimer, this is my mom's wig, but I feel like it makes me kind of feel like cute. Besides, it's appropriate for what I'm doing, like I'm doing hair. I couldn't come with them synthetic. Okay, this is synthetic, but you get the gist what I was trying to achieve. So why didn't I just come with my natural hair? Because you see why. Okay, stay tuned. So I usually like showing people what to use because it makes it feel authentic, like original, like you get it right. So my first item from my bag, my magic bag, is the avocado. Okay, so with an avocado, what you do is, this one is not ripe. Obviously, you need a ripe avocado. Okay, in China, you say meaning you have to be thorough in telling people now, else they'll be just willy-nilly, just grating avocados. You need a ripe avocado. Get it right? Okay, so what you do with the avocado is it's sort of like an OT. An OT is an oil treatment, but it's like a treatment for your hair. So basically you make a paste, right, and then leave in your hair for like 10-20 minutes, 30. It's not a relaxer, so you can leave it for as long as, okay, not more than a day. At least you go on with them, with them shower caps, and then you put a shower cap, and then you go about your day. So this is when you want your hair to be refreshed, you want your hair to be stronger. Okay, so this is an avocado. So next in my magic bag is the potato. Yes. So with this potato, you get it. This potato, you need a blender, but if you don't have a blender, no worries. I got you. So you can grate it. So now when you grate it, you need somewhere where you can squeeze the juice, because you don't want the excess residue. So you grate it in a plate or whatever, on a bowl, whatever, and then you squeeze the juice. Okay, and then you put in your hair, and then you can leave it or wash, whatever you choose. It's your hair. You do it however you want it. So next in line, so I first mentioned the avocado, then there's the avocado leaves. Now that's the real deal, the realest deal. Okay, just kidding. My god, I'm so dramatic. There's the avocado leaves. There's the avocado for when you want to treat your hair, then there's the avocado leaves. So this helps you to grow your hair. How? Because you're like, oh, do we dry them? Oh, do we do this? No, you boil them. So usually I boil them for 10 to 15 minutes, so you get all the ingredients out of this kamanga avocado leaves. So what you do, if you watch my video, I am in love. I got married to olive olive oil products, like, okay. So this came with an ocean. Let me see if I can find. Okay, this came with this, so it was attached like this. So when this finished, I now use it to spray. So as you can see already, I already have avocado leaf juice in it. So you basically you spray in your hair. So if you don't have this, you can invest in what called like what sprayers, you know, those empty things where you can put whatever and then spray. Those like this but big. Okay, you get it. Okay, so moving on, we've got the aloe vera. Okay, we've got vera. So vera here is, I love vera so much, okay, because vera helps to grow hair. Okay, so you can also use this to when you shampoo. You can use when you shampoo. You can use vera when you shampoo. You can use vera when you want to condition hair. You can use vera as a hair food. You can use vera for, you can mix with this, and then you can leave it for, you know, for the treatment thingy. Yes, the thingy. I love vera so much. So what I usually do, we've got two vera plants, so that you can continuously use, you know, as compared to, you know, buying. So you can grow your own vera and grow your hair to be, you know, this, to become this bulky, you know, kind of thingy. Okay, so oh, okay, and then we have onion. Yeah, this what you do with this onion, you can blend it, or if you don't have, no worries, again you can just grate it. So like we did with the potato, you can usually what's more encouraged is the red onion, but if you don't have white, this one also works. You can grate it, right, squeeze out the juice, put in your sprayer, spray to your hair. So usually what I do for mine, underneath, you know, I said I was going to tell you why I wore a wig. Okay, let me finish this. So usually what I do with onion, I usually blend it with the vera. So I don't know, maybe it's my hair, maybe it's me, maybe I need someone to smell. I usually don't. Do you hear the smell? Do you smell the smell? Okay, you don't hear the smell. Smell the smell. I don't know. You don't, like, people don't smell it when I blend this too. Okay, so side note, why I said the reason why I'm wearing a wig is because, as you can see, oh my god, I can't. I've got my banzi. So in English that means threaded hair. So I obviously can show. Well, I'm on YouTube. Come on, I need to look cute. I look cute. If you don't think so, go argue with your dog or your cat or your chicken. I look cute. Oh, okay. So the last one in my magic bag is turmeric. Okay, so with this one, obviously you can boil it, put it in here, or mix it with any one of these leaves, anything you want to mix it with. Oh, I'd forgotten this. These also make your hair grow. Okay, so most of these products, they make your hair grow. If I didn't mention it, it's for hair growth. So guava leaves also make your hair grow super. Yo, There's something that I just thought about. So this make your hair grow. You boil them again. So usually what I do, because we've got trees, we grow trees, you know, outside garden, I boil these two and with Vera. Okay, so you can make your hair grow using those. So you may ask me, how long will my hair grow? Will it grow in 1 week? What? Like all those videos keep saying, like, grow your hair in 1 week, like it'll be like this, and then the before will be like this, and then the after will be like, they all be like reaching there. Like, what? In 1 week? I don't know about like the certain length, like, yeah, the length that it will grow. But what I do know, I'm Shona, guys. I'm literally translating Shona to English, It will grow. So hair growth depends on what you eat, your hair type, your everything. It's a whole lot of, things that are involved in hair growth, but it will definitely grow. As compared to just plaiting hair, it will grow. The length and obviously depend on the person, type of hair. Is it natural? Is it straightened? Is it relaxed? That stuff. So this was a part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 to grow the hair. So this is a part 1. Make sure to comment, subscribe, watch out for part 2. Love you guys.